Hello everyone. In this video we'll talk about indefinite articles. First of all, the question appears what articles are. Let me tell you. Articles are the words which are used before nouns to define whether they are specific or general. There are three articles a, n and the. We use the articles a or n before a singular noun when we talk about it for the first time or in general, not specific. So the articles a and n are called indefinite articles. We use the article a before a singular noun which begins with a consonant sound and not with a vowel sound. Now let me tell you what consonant and vowel sounds are. I suppose all of you have read the vowels in Hindi. They are pronounced as a, e, u, a, o and o. All these sounds are vowel sounds. Apart from these sounds, any other sounds are consonant sounds. For example, ka, kha, ga and so on. Now here are the examples. The first is, this is a parrot. Here the noun is parrot, which begins with pa sound, which is a consonant sound. So the article which is used before it is a. We use the article n before a singular noun which begins with a vowel sound. For example, this is an orange. Here orange is the noun which begins with a sound, which is a vowel sound. So the article which will be used here is n. Similarly, the next example is, Golu has an egg every day. Here the noun is egg, which begins with a sound, which is a vowel sound. So we have to use the article n before egg. Now here is a question for you. You have to complete these sentences with the articles a or n. Number 1 is, Gina is reading dash book. So here the noun is book, which begins with the sound ba, which is a consonant sound. So a word which begins with a consonant sound, which article we use before it? We use the article a. So the article a is used here. If a noun will begin with a vowel sound, then we will use the article n before it. In the next video, we will talk about the definite article the. For the time being, this is the end of the video. I hope you have learned something from it. Thanks for listening and God bless you all.